Hey, we got a little mini Walmart haul. I'm laughing because I look like a vegetarian on this haul. Not a problem, not a dig, just chuckling. I had to pick up some things for our pickled cucumbers that we're going to make this weekend, tomorrow. So I just picked up some stuff, and let me show you what all I got. We got some Gala apples. Slide it this way. We got some Cosmic Crisp apples. Got some red onions, some yellow onions. Got some whole mushrooms. I picked up some ashwagandha. One of my coworkers said it's kind of good for helping her go to sleep, so I'm going to try it. I picked up 1 banana, 3 peppers, a couple things of Band-Aids. One of my coworkers mentioned this spray for curly hair, and to see if maybe it helps mine scrunch up. I'll try it. I got a little zucchini. I can't remember why, but for the pickling. I got 3 bags of these pickling cucumbers. I got 3 bags of them. I have 3 pears. I have some more tomatoes. I bought a pineapple, and then I went ahead and bought the California hot vegetable mix. You said they weren't too hot, so I'm going to try them. So that's my mini Walmart haul. But actually, as I was walking out, I bought a couple shirts. I'll show you just a second. So there was a couple men, and they were part of addiction recovery, and they were had things they donate. They were asking for donations, or you could buy a necklace or shirt. So I bought this shirt. It says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. So it's this shirt. And then I'll show you the other shirt I got too. Hang on. Okay, this one says faith over fear, peace. Hang on. Over panic, peace over panic, God over everything. So I got this one. They're both mediums. They're men cut. So I was like, okay. So I got these shirts, and they go to a good organization. It's like I said, it's a group for addiction, and so they help people through addiction. And they were outside of Walmart. So that's all my Walmart haul right there. So all right, I picked up a couple things for my mom. I'm not going to show them. But she couldn't get to the Walmart this week with her dizziness stuff that I talked about in my video yesterday. So you'll see that. But anyway, so yeah, that's my haul. Bye.